Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. We are about to get ready for Cars and Coffee in the morning. I think the plan is to leave here about 7 a.m. So we're going to go out and wash the car, get it all nice and cleaned up. See you guys there. Car wash closed.
Due to cold weather.
70 degrees this week.
That's the video. Now what? Alright, Brad, what is our... Oh, never mind. What is our plan that we're doing now, Brad?
I'm gonna go wash my car in the forbidden mechanical washer.
Is this the first time you've ever gone through a car wash?
Yes, because you're not supposed to take sports cars through those types of washers.
We're gonna find out today.
Yeah, we're gonna find out when I get a mirror that becomes shattered.
We just got a free car wash.
Two free car washes.
Two free car washes. Which is kind of crazy because they're supposed to be closing and they just gave us free one. Oh.
Yep. These guys are probably ready to go home.
Yeah. This is not a sponsored video.
I don't know the name of this car wash.
Mach1.
Oh. Gave us the $24 wash too.
I know. It's like, is it 24 okay? Yeah, it's an upgrade. It got dark really quick.
Yeah, I guess we should vacuum it
Probably not.
because they can't leave till we leave. Pretty good for free.
Yeah.
You didn't knock my mirrors back either.
Not too bad.
Well, we just got two free car washes.
Yeah.
Premium ones. What's the name of that place again?
Mod Wash, courtesy of Mod Wash.
Courtesy of Mod Wash. No idea who the guy was, but you need to do the Windex on the inside, and kind of hard to see, but I'd say it's pretty clean for free.
Oh yeah, this thing is better. It's got the lights. Look how shiny. Nice and clean. Alright, what's the plan?
Cars and Coffee tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow.